Guys, once again, Jumuia Resort Kisumu. What brings us here? JiPOS, the hotel ERP, renowned in Kenya and East Africa. What have we done today? Training, which departments? Procurement, accounting, inventory, front desk, service team. What are we left with? Training the HR components and the workflows. We'll be in Kanamai branch, that is in Coast, Mombasa. Last week, you were in Jumuia Resort still, Limuru. Yes, and this means you can run multiple branches under the same system, JiPOS. You will come to sales here. Unaona? So ukiclick POS itaturudisha tu pale kwa ile order. Then umeleta pesa, you need to close it so that ile open sales sasa itoke kwa ile account yake. Unaona? Yes, this is Kanamai, Jumuia Resort. You can see here, JiPOS full swing, the third unit. We have tackled Limuru, we have tackled Kisumu, and finally here. 3 units in one system. 3 branches running simultaneously in one system. Yeah. Keep it JiPOS. Beachfront. This is a beachfront property. Very cool place, serene, very calm. This is Kanamai in Kilifi County. Yeah, several meters from Mtwapa town. And of course, this is Jumuia Resorts in Kanamai. A very nice place. When you find time, you can come here and just feel the breeze. Ukiangalia bahari. Bahari ndio ile. Yeah, so now that they are empowered by JiPOS, the services here, of course, is going to be on another level, just as it has been. Yeah, so always find time to come to the coast and know new places like this one. And even if you want to hold a conference or just come here for chill, yeah, it's a good place. Yeah, quite a number of things that you can do when you are here. You just see next to me my favorite volleyball pitch, and then Jioni classes is here. I'll come here and not take classes, but to teach people how to swim. This is my favorite sport as well. So there are a lot of things. You can play volleyball the other side. You can go here and just have some nice moment by the beach. It's a vibe. It's a class on its own. If you want to escape the busy lifestyle of the city and come to the beach, this is one of your considerations. You can consider it. What we can guarantee you is seamless service all the way from the moment you get in there, the moment you experience the lifestyle around here, to the moment you leave back again through that gate. Welcome to Kanamai.